B. Branding. It is important for an independent musician to have a branding because it helps them stand out from the competition. Through branding, an independent musician can create a unique identity that is associated with the music they create.
So, how can an independent musician do their branding? 1. Create an attention-grabbing logo. Develop a unique logo that visually communicates the artist's message and personality. Free online tools that can help with creating a musician's logo include Canva. Canva offers thousands of free templates to help you create professional logos quickly. Logo Maker. An easy-to-use online logo maker with flexible options. Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands offers unique design tools to simplify logo creation. Hatchful. This website helps you create beautiful logos that have been perfected for a wide range of uses. Free Logo Design. Create an unlimited amount of logos for free. Instantly download your completed logo design. In addition to these, feel free to reserve to AI tools like DALL-E 2 or Midjourney. They produce great results and save a lot of time. 2. Develop high-quality content. Generating high-quality content allows the artist to develop their brand. Of course, it starts with your music, but also includes photos, videos, remixes, alternative versions, and so on. Logo, photos, album art, and videos should form a part of your EPK, or electronic press kit, that should be available on your website together with your professionally written bio and music showcase. 3. Establish a website. A website allows independent musicians to showcase their biography and show off their music. What should an independent musician's website include? Professional bio. Your website should include a professional biography, as well as information about your career, experience, and any media mentions. Music. Your website should feature samples of your music and a streaming platform so visitors can listen to your songs. Contact forms. Visitors should be able to easily contact you, so include forms where visitors can book a show or purchase merchandise. Electronic Press Kit, EPK. Make sure you have a dedicated page with a press kit that includes your bio, photos, music, and any press coverage. Links to your social media and Web3 footprint. Make sure to link your social media accounts so visitors can follow and stay up to date with your releases and activities. Don't forget to include links to your Pianity, Emanate, and Audius profiles or OpenSea collections. 4. Utilize social media. Social media is an excellent platform for independent musicians to create an engaged community and allow people to discover their music. This brings us to the next point that is repeating from the audience part of the music marketing ABC: network and collaboration. 5. Network and collaborate. Networks and collaborations are crucial when building a brand as it helps expand their reach and attract new audiences. What's a good way for an independent musician to network and collaborate? Attend music events. Networking and collaboration is easiest when done in person, so attend local concerts, open mic nights, and other events to meet other musicians and make connections. Great news is that the metaverse started hosting music-related events on platforms like Decentraland or Sandbox. Utilize online communities. Digital music communities are a great way to access indie musicians and collaborate with like-minded artists. Examples on Web 2 include SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and Splice. Our favorite communities in Web 3 are Pianity NFT, We Suck at Producing, and Wave World Discord channels. Start reaching out to bloggers, radio stations, record labels, and other industry professionals is a great way to get your music out there and increase the visibility of your brand. Swap services and promote each other. Trading services or providing promotion for each other's releases is another great way to build relationships with other independent musicians.
A strong brand will help an independent musician build a loyal fan base through marketing and promotion. Furthermore, an attractive brand allows an independent musician to stand out from the crowd and create a unique and recognizable style in the music industry.